Hi guys, Jamie from Indie Fiber Art. Today I'm going to show you how to carry your yarn when doing color changes that are a little more spaced out. So here I'm making the large mountain. I've completed my peak and I've come to the row where I need to add in my new color. So it's a few stitches in, so I've gotten started, and this next stitch is where my color change will be. So just like before, the last yarn over of our single crochet is going to be with the new color. And now we work our next stitch with the new color and secure it. Now we're going to be changing back to the cream color. So we'll yarn over with that color. And you usually don't want to go more than 2 stitches without working a carry. So to work a carry, we're just going to hold the yarn that we're not using behind. So for the next stitch, I'm going to make sure that that's over the top of my hook. And then I'm going to work my stitch as normal. Now I'm just going to drop it and leave it until I need it again.